If you have a Squarespace website and you're walking through my pre-launch checklist, welcome back. If you don't have a copy of the checklist, I'll drop a link below in the description so you can grab it. In this video, I'm going to show you a little SEO tip for your blog. So if you have a blog on Squarespace, I recommend turning off the ability for search engines to find your tag and category pages. Okay, I am here in the back end of my own website, and I want to show you where to turn off indexing for your category and tag pages for your blog. So I'm going to hop into my pages, scroll down to my blog, click the cog icon, and under SEO, if you scroll down, you can actually hide from search results all the category pages and all the tag pages in this collection. Now, why would I do that? The reason is those category pages, it creates a page for every category you ever set, any tag you ever set, and we can see where those are here. So I have a few categories. I have a few tags here. They're not super useful except for organizing, but if I didn't hide from search engines, each of those would be a page that search engines would find. And they don't have a lot of content and they're pretty sparse. They're not generating traffic. And what it can do is it can actually negatively affect your SEO to have those because they're just kind of filler. So I recommend turning them off. So again, to do that, blog, cog icon, SEO, scroll down, and then toggle on hide from search results for all category pages and all tag pages. But do not toggle on all pages in this collection. We actually want your posts to show up. So just these last two. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up as it helps other people discover my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.